Hello guys and welcome to my how-to video. My name is Felix and I'm going to tell you how to resolve problems with the internet since you really don't want to ask your teachers or else they will be really sad or mad. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we have to figure out is what kind of error you get. So generally speaking, there are three different types of errors that you normally get. So the first one would be the can't connect to proxy server error. And this happens if your proxy configuration is wrong or when you don't have a proxy or don't need it. So the second one is the DNS server error. This happens when the address you type in can't be resolved since no DNS server is responding. So this could happen if your DNS config is wrong or if you don't even have one set. And the last one is the can't connect to the internet error. So there are multiple reasons that can cause this error and we are going to discuss them all later on. Okay, now the first error that we will try to solve is the can't connect to proxy server error. Like I said before, this happens when your proxy configuration is wrong or you don't even need a proxy server to connect to the internet. So in order to resolve this error, you first have to press the Windows key plus the R key at the same time. A window will open and you will type in inetcpl.cpl. In the pop-up, choose the Connections tab and press the LAN Options button. Now make sure that your proxy address and port number are correct. The proxy address is proxy.hdl-kindorf.ac.at and the port is 3128. When you're sure that this is correct, press OK twice to close the two windows and try again. So the thing is that if you still get the same error, that means that you don't even need a proxy in order to connect to the internet. So again, press both the Windows and the R key, then type inetcpl.cpl, go to Connections and click the LAN button and uncheck the box that says use proxy and so on. Try to browse to a website again and it should work, or at least you should get another error. If you still have the same error, yes, you guessed it, you have a problem and can now ask the teacher. If your browser shows you an error message that goes like can't connect to DNS, DNS not responding, you have a DNS error. This error means that no DNS server is responding, and this happens when the DNS configuration is wrong or if you don't even have one set. So in order to fix this, follow these instructions. Right click on the network icon on the right side of your taskbar and select Open Network Center. Now click on Change Adapter Settings and double click on Wi-Fi or LAN. This depends on what you are using. Press the Properties button and select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP//IP. Make sure that dynamically select IP address and dynamically allocate DNS server is enabled. And lastly, press OK to close the windows and check your connection. The last thing is, if you don't receive any of the error messages mentioned before, or you simply can't connect to the internet error, try the following steps. So right click on the network icon on the right side of your taskbar and select Open Network Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings, double click on Wi-Fi or LAN, depending on what you're using. Press the Properties button, double click Internet Protocol version 4 and make sure that the two boxes are checked. And now, try to connect to any website you like again. If even this doesn't work, look at your computer and check if the LAN cable is properly connected to the LAN port on your PC. Make sure to also check that the other end of the LAN cable is properly connected as well. If it is connected and the LED on the LAN port should blink. If the cable is connected but the LED is not blinking, try using another LAN cable because the one that you are currently using might be corrupted. If really none of the solutions mentioned before worked out for you, ask Mr. Pulsleitner or one of our other glorious networking teachers. I hope that everything works now and that you can now play World of Warcraft again or torrent some games. And the last thing for me to say is thanks for watching.